During my keto journey, I realized one thing. I love to cook, in fact, curate recipes and changing and mixing and fusioning, whatever word you want to use. I love doing that. And this has given me a new lease of life, also, you can say. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today's recipe is a lovely dip with nachos, yes, but it's not a Mexican recipe, it's a Turkish recipe, yes, fateh, and you are going to just love it. Why? Because I have made it in a keto version, so it's full on the macros even. So let's begin with it. So to make this lovely keto fateh or fatah, whatever you pronounce, I am more interested in the recipe. It's too delicious. Yes, I'm going to heat a pan. This is my first step of it. It requires 3 steps, but it's quite easy. You can prepare and keep all the steps like the first step or the second step. So I've just heated a non-stick pan, added some oil into it, some garlic goes into it. That is a finely chopped garlic goes into it. Some green chilies, this you can add according to your taste. You can add more or less or little even or nothing even. Add some chopped onions into it and saute it a bit. See, it's a very simple recipe, and now I'm going to add the eggplants, the aubergines, whatever you call. Just I have diced it into cubes with the skin on, and I'm putting it in the frying pan. You must remember, eggplant has a tendency to blacken if it is cut and stored as it is. You have to store it in water, but since I had sliced it when I am cooking, so I didn't need to store it in the water. I have added some salt into it so that the cooking process starts faster, and just saute it a bit. And now I am going to cover and simply let it cook for 7 to 10 minutes, and it will melt. Yes, all the aubergines will melt and they will become perfectly delicious. Yes, see, it's perfectly cooked. You can see the change of the color even. So my first layer is done. Now comes the second step. For this I am going to prepare the dip layer. So here I have taken paneer or the cottage cheese. This is my homemade cottage cheese. If you can't get hold of the cottage cheese or paneer, use ricotta cheese. I have added the Greek yogurt, the hung curd into it, and now I am going to add some, yes, what? I am going to add some lemon juice into it. That would give a lovely flavor and even enhance the taste of this dip. Some garlic goes into it. Yes, fine, you don't need to chop the garlic. Since I had the chopped garlic, I'm using that. You can use the pod of the garlic into it. And some salt goes into it. Yes, add some salt. Since my cottage cheese had some salt, so I'm adding half a teaspoon. You can add more according to the taste of your requirement. And just churn it. I have to just blend it. Yes, this is the perfect recipe. Why? Because this is quite good in protein macro. Here comes the cottage cheese or the ricotta cheese full of protein macro, and here I am taking it out in a big bowl. Yes, because I am going to spread this out, so I need to take it out from the mixer jar. So let's see how thick it is. It is quite thick, and if you store it in the fridge, it will become more thick. This is the perfect thickness I require, and my second layer is done. And now comes the finale. Yes, for this I am using the keto flax crackers, of which the recipe is provided above. I am going to use about 150 gram of flaxseed flour cracker, and the one I showed you are the roundels, and these are the tidbits left after the making the rounders. This I'm spreading over a plate, and the rounders I have kept it to decorate it at the rim, you can say, so that it looks pretty beautiful, eye appetizing. Just spread out as much as you want. Make a single layer of the flax cracker. You can use any other cracker, even whatever shape you like. You can use a triangle, square, whatever you want. And here I am dropping the aubergine layer, that is the eggplant layer. Yes, the prepared eggplant mixture, I am dropping that, making it a single layer, covering up all the nachos with it. So spread out the eggplant mixture over it. It's a perfect dish, and you are going to just love this. A good variation to eat the eggplants. This is, what do you say, the first layer of the flaxseed cracker. I had used the flaxseed cracker. The second layer of the aubergines, and now comes the third layer of the dip prepared. Yes, that is your protein dip, rich protein dip. You can, when I prepared, I remembered, why not add some olive oil into this dip? If you want, you can add extra olive oil into the dip. If you feel your macros of oil is decreasing, add some olive oil into it. So this is how I maintain my macro balance. I try to incorporate whatever there's a deficient, I try to increase that portion more. So that basically depends upon your macro requirement. So here I am dropping the dip prepared over it. See, and this, doesn't it look beautiful? It's looking so appetizing, and this really tastes awesome. That dip which I have kept it extra, that I can use it for other recipes even, or I can prepare another batch of this same dish and use it again. Yes, half of the dip has been left out, so that can be used for the second batch of my fateh. Yes, for my next batch of fateh. So now I am sprinkling some coriander leaves. I need to decorate it. Yes, it should look more eye appealing. Yes, so here I am decorating this with the lovely coriander leaves. You can use parsley even, curled parsley even. I prefer this. You can use mint leaves even if you like, but I love the coriander leaves a lot better than the mint leaves. And now I am going to add some dried cranberries. These are my sliced cranberries, unsweetened cranberries. If you have the fresh ones, you can use that even, since I didn't have the fresh ones, which is not easily available in India. So I am using the dried ones which are easily available. So sprinkling some cranberries over the dip so that it has a bit of sweet and tangy taste to this dip. This dish is so colorful and so appealing. You are just going to love it. It's so delicious. And now I am going to spread some melon seeds over it. Yes, sprinkle some melon seeds to have extra crunchiness. These are my roasted melon seeds which I keep it handy. You can sprinkle some sesame seeds if you don't have the melon seeds even. Yes, the roasted variety, you can use that even. And now I am going to sprinkle some red chili flakes that will add color to my fateh or fatah, whatever you call. Doesn't matter, whatever you call, it tastes good. That is the main thing, and it is eye appealing. You are sure to love it. I love nachos, so this is a good way of having a different type of nacho, a Turkish variety, which will add menu in your keto diet. And before that, don't forget, I'm practicing as a dietitian even. So if you want my consultation, not only for keto, for all type of diets, for all type of health issues, I am there for you. So you can contact me and fill the form down. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer. Thank you.